All right, for our last last change that we're going to do to the sine curve and cosine curve, we had a sine b, x minus c, and we're going to add, the last change possible is going to be a plus d, and that will move it up or down. And it's like you think it should be. Positive is up and negative is down. So here we are doing one on part 2 here. So I'm going to do y equals cosine x plus theta minus 3. All right, my a, there's a 1 sitting there, so there's no change for amplitude. It's a regular cosine curve. It's going to go up to 1 and down to minus 1. And there is no b change, so that means the period, one cycle, is going to be 2 pi. So we're expecting a mountain and a valley. So I go ahead, a cosine curve starts at the top, bottoms out at pi, goes back up like that. So that's not the real answer, so I dotted it in lightly. Then we learned that this would be a positive, we'll move it to the left, pi radians. So here's a distance of pi radians. So it's 2 tick marks. So I'm going to move each of these values over 2 tick marks. So this one goes over 2, this one goes over, this one goes over, this one goes over, it sits on top of that one, and this one goes over. Alright, so if I was going to connect the x's, I'll still dot it in, but I'll make it darker. We'll see that we have shifted this curve to the left, pi radians. Then the minus 3 comes out to play, and that means we are going to move that curve 3 down. So I'm going to take on this dot, I'm going to take these 3 spots. I'm sorry, it was 5, wasn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spots, and move those down 3. So if I'm sitting at 1 and this is minus 1, this is going to go 1, 2, and 3 right here. Maybe I'll make a little square for that one. This one's going to go down 3. 1, 2, 3. And this one is going to go down 3. 1, 2, 3. Down 3, 1, 2, 3, and down 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. All right, so now I can do my final result here. And so you can see this curve will go on forever in like manner, but it has been shifted to the left, pi radians, and it has been dropped down 3. All right, these are the kind of things you'll be putting all together in class on Friday. So have a good evening, and I will see you then. Bye for now.